What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable or disable the AutoSave feature in Microsoft Excel. AutoSave is a powerful tool that can help protect your files by automatically saving your work at regular intervals, which is especially useful if your program crashes unexpectedly or if you forget to save your progress manually. To start, open Microsoft Excel and locate the File tab in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on it once to open the File menu. Once you're in the File menu, scroll down and click on Options. This will open the Excel Options window, where you can customize various settings on how Excel operates. In the Excel Options window, click on the Save tab located on the left side. Here, you'll see multiple options related to saving your work. The key setting we're looking for is labeled Save Auto Recover Information every X minutes. Auto Recover is a feature that works alongside AutoSave to ensure that Excel periodically saves your work. The default setting is usually set to save every 10 minutes, but you can adjust this to suit your preference. For instance, if you want Excel to save your work more frequently, you can change the interval to 1 minute. On the other hand, if you find the frequent saving unnecessary, you can extend the interval. Directly below this, you will see another important option. Keep the last auto-recovered version if I close without saving. Make sure this box is checked. This option ensures that, even if you accidentally close Excel without saving, the last auto-recovered version will still be available, potentially saving you from losing any significant work. After adjusting these settings to your liking, click OK to save your changes and exit the Excel Options window. This will apply your settings, and Excel will now save your work according to the intervals and preferences you've specified. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.